The average U.S. homeowner gained $56,700 in equity over the past year. In Maryland, the average homeowner gained $46,000, while renters missed out on $51,500 this year. It's Friday, December 24th, 2021. Happy Christmas Eve. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Maryland Market Minute. So what does 2022 hold for the real estate market? Predictions indicate that we will see mortgage rates rise at least a quarter point by February based on the Fed's current chatter. Overall, the rates will be about 3.5%, still lower than historic rates, but any rate increase does cause a market reaction. Home prices are also forecasted to appreciate at least 5.1% based on the continued housing supply shortage and high buyer demand as new households form, as well as the changing demographics as populations make moves to alternate areas, particularly from larger cities to smaller cities, towns, and even the rural communities that have strong internet installation. In Maryland, we've seen a lot of growth as our smaller cities like Annapolis, Frederick, and Cambridge attract new residents based on lower property taxes, quality of living, and infrastructure in place for the internet and telecommunications. Home sales are also predicted to remain strong well into 2022, as many as 7.3 million home sales throughout the U.S. as more people move to meet their changing needs and lifestyle desires. While rents appeared to have kind of slowed from the rapid rise this year, renters will still stand to lose out again in 2022. Maryland does have more rentals on the market right now than earlier this year, but the average rent still remains at $23.34 per month. So that's the market update for Friday, December 24th, 2021. Have a safe and beautiful holiday. Take care.